All right, let's take a look at this example. The table shows the number of hours per day 11 patients suffered from headaches before and after 7 weeks of soft tissue therapy. 1% significance. Is there enough evidence to conclude the soft tissue therapy helps to reduce the length of time patients suffer from headaches? And make all the assumptions as normal. Okay, so again, we have a paired sample test here. And I'm going to say X1, the headache hours before. So I'm going to think of this as before. And X2 as the headache hours after. Okay. So then we're going to look at D as X1 minus X2, the difference there. And let's see what we're trying to say here. If we're saying that this therapy reduces the length of time they suffer from headaches, then the before times should be longer than the after times if it was reduced. So we're thinking that these D's should be bigger than 0. In other words, because these numbers are bigger than these numbers, so that difference is positive. So that's going to be mu D is greater than 0 that we're looking at. So let's set up our hypothesis test here. So mu D greater than 0 is our claim, and our null hypothesis is mu less than or equal to 0. And we have an alpha of 0.01. Okay, so let's go to SPSS and put all this in. So there we have our before times and our after times. And we set up to analyze, compare means, paired sample t-test. Again, I'm going to have before as variable 1, after as variable 2. Okay, that's all it takes. And then here is our information, the relevant information we want, including, there's our t-value, and there's our significance, our p, for a two-tailed of 0.422. So again, we have to remember that that's the two-tailed of 0.422. Okay, so our p-value, again, this is a one-tailed version, all right? This is a right tail, one tail. So I need the p to be that 0.422 over 2, or 0.211. Okay, so we're going to take 0.211 as our p-value and compare that to 0.01 as our alpha. Oh, that's definitely greater. So we fail to reject H0. Okay, so this was a support mode question, but we failed to reject H0. We could not get to HA. So there is not enough evidence at 1% significance level to support the claim that the headache time is reduced. Okay, not enough evidence here to support it.